How to fix and solve too many requests on Roblox application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix the too many requests error on Roblox application. So without further delay, let's get started. So too many requests error usually means that you have sent too many login attempts or actions such as refreshing, retrying or clicking too fast. So in that case, Roblox system blocks your IP or device temporarily to prevent any other spamming issue in future. So to fix this issue, you have to wait for at least 15 to 60 minutes. This is often a temporary cooldown, so make sure that you avoid any spamming login or refresh button. Do not uninstall or reinstall repeatedly, so make sure that you wait for at least 15 to 60 minutes. And if that still does not help you, then you could try to turn on and off the airplane mode in your device, and also you could reboot your Wi-Fi router, or you could also switch to your mobile data, and this may assign a new IP address to your device and reset the request limit. So in that case, you could restart your internet connection. If that still does not help you, and if you're on your Android device, head over to settings in your device. Tap on apps, tap on see all apps, tap on the search icon and then search for Roblox. Tap on Roblox. Once you're here, head over to storage and cache, and here tap on clear cache. After that, go back and check whether your problem will be now solved or not. If still not, then restart your device, which is a quick and effective to solve any problem. Once you restart, then check for the application updates. If the application is missing out any updates, you may also be facing the problem. So open up Play Store, tap on the search icon, now search for Roblox and check if the application needs to be updated or not. Tap on it, and if you find update button, make sure that you update it. So that's it. That's how you can fix if you have the too many requests error on Roblox application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.